Welcome to Campervan Life Adventures.
Well, just getting ready to go off. The sirens from the local chemical plant test is going on in the background, whether you can hear it or not. But there is the motorbike on the Lorries MT1 trailer. It's been a long time since I did that with a previous motorbike on a previous trailer, so that's taken me, crikey, about 45 minutes to get that bike onto the trailer, get it strapped on. So maybe I'll get quicker as I get more experience, but so far, fingers crossed now, it's not going to fly off as I go down to Grantham. Well, it is a fantastic day. It's almost like summer. Down here I am in Grantham at a little CL campsite called Happy Trails Camping, and I'm here basically because I'm getting the motorbike serviced at the Ducati dealership in Grantham. But luckily it seemed to be okay, but it was quite a faff getting it on. I mean, easy enough to drive the bike or ride the bike onto the trailer because the trailer itself folds down easily to like a flat level. But just doing all the strapping up business takes forever. Well, it's another bright sunny day and we're out walking again with the dog. Each of these days has kind of passed fairly quickly because I've kind of had all sorts of things I've been trying to do. I kind of realised that my internet signal in the van was low. And so I thought, well, maybe it's the modem that's old, because I've probably had it now for, I don't know, maybe 7-8 years, something like that. It's a Netgear M1, I think, just the original version of the little Netgear mobile cellular router thing. And the signal was kind of right down and then it popped up and it come down. And I'm on the Vodafone Ultimate Max data plan, so it's never given me a problem like this before. So I thought maybe, you know, maybe the modem's getting a bit old and I need a new one. So I went to Vodafone because they said on the phone, on the contact centre telephone number, that they had one in the store in Grantham, where I am just here at this little campsite here. And so I went there kind of on day 2 of my trip here. And when I turned up at the store, the guy said he had no idea. Nobody had contacted him from the contact centre. They didn't have that modem. They didn't stock or sell that modem. And he tried selling me something completely different. And so I thought, right, okay. So the following day, I had a chat with the guys at the O2 store who do sell that modem, the latest version, the Netgear M7. And long story short was they were trying to get me sort of caught up in some sort of contract. Well, here I am at Rutland Water, and just out on the motorbike, been down from Grantham, and thought I would have a little run down here. Just dropped into the car park, but I'm not sure how much it costs. Whether motorbikes often are free, but in this instance I'm not sure they're going to be, because there seems to be a barrier system on board, so I had to get a ticket on the way in, and I'm not really sure what's here, whether there's any sort of cafe or anything, or just a car park. So what I might do is not stay and pay, but actually just get back out within the 15 minutes and go and find something to eat somewhere, because I'm not really up for a long walk at the moment. Anyway, that's the bike, that's the water, and we'll see you again in a bit. Well, I'm back at the van, back at base on the motorbike, and so what I ended up doing was going first of all to Melton Mowbray, and I was going to stay there, but I called into the Ducati dealers first of all to get the leads for the HT leads, because even though I'd asked them to fit them, they didn't, and they obviously charged me the labour for the putting the spark plugs in. So I ended up with the same old HT leads, which they reckon were fine, but I just kind of thought I'd best get the new ones given they'd ordered them in. So I went back today and I picked those up, paid for them, and they're in the top box there now. I'll have to get those fitted at some point. But the bike is riding pretty well, I'd say. It's kind of, 85% there. I think those new HT leads will make a difference, although I might be completely wrong. But yeah, it's a sunny evening, and there is some brilliant countryside between here, especially between here and Melton Mowbray, and the whole area is just really nice. So I'm here for tonight and tomorrow night, leaving on Sunday. So tomorrow I might go on another little bike ride and see where we get to then. Well, it's time to do a bit of an evening meal. Been out today on the motorbike, got back now a couple of hours ago and taken the dog for a walk a couple of times. I'm here for one more night after tonight, so probably tomorrow go out on the motorbike again, not entirely sure. Went earlier to Melton Mowbray, didn't stay there but went straight on to Rutland Water. Didn't really stay there more than like 5 minutes, just in the car park, turned around and got out without having to pay, because if you do that within 15 minutes you can. So it was all a bit of a sort of a test of the motorbike really, rather than actually going and looking around. The van is a bit upside down because, well, I've been vacuuming it out, but the dog hair gets absolutely everywhere on these dark seats. But you do what you can. But it's a fantastic sunny week this week. Today's been warm, tomorrow's going to be even warmer, and I think maybe even 20 degrees, so it's like summer here at the moment. But we carry on enjoying it.